You've probably already seen robots from Boston Dynamics doing backflips, parkour, and even dancing, but this latest project with Hyundai Motor Company takes things in a completely different direction. This time, the football pitch becomes a training ground for one of the most advanced humanoid robots ever created. In the clip, we see the new Atlas robot standing in front of a giant screen, completely focused on legendary football moments. It watches players sprint across the field, make sharp turns, tackle opponents, and score incredible goals. But Atlas is not just watching for entertainment. The robot is actually studying every movement in detail. Digital wireframes appear over the athletes, mapping out their joints, posture, and body mechanics in real time. The system analyzes how players shift their weight, maintain balance, explode into motion, and react under pressure during a match. This entire concept is part of a campaign called School of Football, created by Hyundai and Boston Dynamics, in partnership with FIFA. The big idea behind the project is pretty simple, but incredibly ambitious. Can football help teach a robot how to move more naturally? When you think about the level of coordination required in football, it actually makes perfect sense. Players are constantly adapting to unpredictable situations while staying balanced, agile, and precise. That kind of movement is extremely difficult for robots to replicate. By feeding all of this data into Atlas's learning systems, engineers are hoping the robot can better understand human mobility and eventually move with greater fluidity and confidence. The video even teases Atlas stepping toward a football resting on the floor, hinting that this could just be the beginning. With the 2026 World Cup approaching, it definitely feels like they are building towards something much bigger. What makes this project so interesting is the contrast between the emotion of football and the analytical nature of robotics. On one side, you have passionate fans, unpredictable gameplay, and human instinct. On the other, you have a machine trying to decode every movement frame by frame. Watching those two worlds come together gives us a glimpse at how sports could actually shape the future of artificial intelligence and robotics. This also shows how far humanoid robots have come in such a short time. We are no longer just talking about robots walking in controlled lab environments. Now they are studying elite athletes to improve balance, coordination, and decision-making in dynamic situations. That opens the door for huge advancements not just in sports, but also in manufacturing, rescue operations, healthcare, and everyday assistance. Let me know down in the comments what other sports you think robots should learn from next. Basketball, gymnastics, martial arts, maybe even Formula One pit crews? There are so many possibilities. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome tech videos and future robotics updates.